In this session we're going to look at how to install IQEnterprise or the IQEnterprise installation file. My folder was downloaded into my downloads folder, so I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to say run. Always make sure that before you run this installation file that you're on the server and that everyone in IQ is logged out. Also ensure that you've done a backup. Now you can click on next. Please read your license agreement, especially with the changes to the Consumer Act. Then you can click on I accept the agreement, and then you can click on next. If it's a first time installation, please specify where you would like the IQ Retail folder. Always leave an IQ Retail. All you can change or perhaps make the change to is the drive. My installation will be on the F drive. It could be on your C drive, it could be on the D drive. Thereafter it must always be at the same place. Then you can click on next. You don't need the custom installation option. The custom installation option was originally designed for testing, for the support team so that they can run more than one version. But what this will do is it will allow you more than one DB server folder. In other words, each folder you now create will include a DB server folder, which means different registrations. Let's leave that off. We don't need this option. You can click on next. It's going to tell us that it's going to add IQ Retail to the folder option. We'll click on next. If you don't already have a desktop icon, you can choose to add a desktop icon. And then, if it's a first time installation, you don't have to run the IQ upgrade. Thereafter, you must run the IQ upgrade every single time. You can click on yes, and then we say next, and then we're going to click on install. The IQ upgrade will run through all the existing companies that you've created, and it will update their information accordingly. Make sure that all the tables and the fields within the tables are up to date. Once the installation is complete, you can click on finished. It's now going to start the IQ registration service, and then it's going to now open the IQ upgrade for me. So you type in your username and administrator username and password. If it's a first time installation, it's going to be a user 1 and your password will be 1 2 3 4 ones, and then you press enter, and that will open the IQ upgrade utility. Then all you ensure is to make sure the upgrade selected here, and it will now run through all my various companies I have here. You can now click on run. Once this is complete, for the new users, you've got to ensure that you've got a shortcut, and you've got to ensure that you've got a proper target number. Then you will have to register IQ. For already existing users, all you have to do after the upgrade is to open IQ, and it will then show you the release notes for the latest changes. I'm now going to conclude this session because it's going to run through all my various companies. As soon as the upgrade is finished, all you have to do is click on OK. I will explain how to add a shortcut, how to do the target, and how to go through the registration in another session. And that concludes looking at how to install the IQEnterprise 5 installation and how to run the upgrade.